Planner Wednesday. This spread is from February the 10th through the 16th. And this is going to be our Valentine's spread. I really love Valentine's, as many of you know. I love all the holidays. So this is the paper that I've chosen. I got it out of a hot buy pad that I got at Michael's quite a while ago. And if you can ever pick up those hot buy pads, definitely do. But this just has love on it, and then this just has the hearts and the different colors, and I like how these colors work together. And then I'm going to put this washi in. I think it really incorporates the beautiful flowers with the Valentines. And I made my own stickers with my Cricut, and I'm just going to be using this red Bic marker in Rambunctious Red, okay? So let me go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. I'm glad that you all liked last week's spread, One-Eyed Jacks. It's such a good classic movie. Okay, I want this to be the dominant paper of the spread, and I'm reusing it. I had used it for something else, so I thought instead of getting out a new one, I would just use it. But I do my planners a little differently than most people. Mine is just a creative outlet. I said this many times before, but I'm getting, new viewers all the time. So, and some of them don't understand why I do what I do, but it's just for fun. I keep myself on track in the month at a glance in my planner, but these weekly spreads are just for creative. I just love it. Okay, and now I'm going to put this down. I just think it's fun to come up with different layouts, and then a lot of you, tons of you, really like the classic movie reviews that I do. And I enjoy sharing my love of old classic movies with you all. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down like we want it. And a lot of you have asked what the sizes are. I have the Big Happy Planner, and my boxes are 1.5 by 2.5. So there's that for you. Okay, let's start gluing our paper down. But like I said, I have the Big Happy Planner, so if you have a different size than the Big Happy Planner, you would just have to measure your boxes. Okay, I really think that's nice and festive. So let's start putting our washi down. I like that. I like to use different combinations. I think it gives you really nice effect. I prefer Dollar Tree washi though, to be honest. It tears perfectly each time, but I didn't have any that I really wanted to use. And now I'm going to go right down through here like I typically do. I really like that. That is so cute. I'm glad that everyone's loving my Dollar Tree DIY that I did yesterday. I really liked how that one turned out. You really can make a lot of really upscale decor from Dollar Tree items. Like how that turned out. Okay, let's start putting our stickers down. Now this isn't a sticker. I got it out of the Hot Buy paper pad book. So I cut it out and I'm just going to apply it with my glue. I think that will look really cute right there. Okay, like I said, I made my own stickers. I'll put this one right here. I think that's a really cute little anchor. All right, and then we will put, as many of you know, I love chocolates. So we're going to put this big heart with chocolates right there on Valentine's Day. And I'm so glad it's falling on a Friday this year. And maybe we will put, where do we want to put these? Maybe we'll put this cute little couple right here. They would have stood out more if I'd put it on white, but I really like her heart. And then I'll put these flowers right about here. And I think I'll put this truck, probably right in here. And then I have to get his wheels. I love that little red truck. I really think they're so cute for all the holidays. And I really do love this little guy with his little cactus heart. It's not porcupines. I've lost my mind. And then this I love you. That is just sweet. Stick that over there. And these balloons, I think I'll just have them kind of trailing. And maybe we'll put the teddy bear near them. like that and just sort of layer our stickers. I think that is really cute. Like maybe he's holding them behind his back. And we'll put one more sticker, I think. Rose. Where do I want to put it? Maybe like right in here. And I think that pretty much does it as far as my stickers go, okay? So let me just put a few things down. Okay, let's put my pages back inside my planner and we'll take a look at this. Okay, I love how this turned out. It's so fresh and bright and happy looking. Okay, I really like the combination of this washi with this paper and these stickers. I think it gives a very festive Valentine's spread. It just looks like it's full of joy and love and candy. So I'll see you Friday. I still don't know what I'm going to do. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a haul this week instead of a DIY. So I'll see you on Friday. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Bye, guys.